IKEA Philippines has 27 different sections. Start from the living room, workspaces, dining, kitchen, and up to number 10, we come across to this Swedish restaurant. IKEA Philippines Swedish Restaurant, food is a big part of people's lives and it is the heart of everyday life. The IKEA vision is to create a better everyday life for the many by serving them an honest and modern taste of Sweden they can trust and feel good about. The Swedish restaurant has 7 food principles to describe their food philosophy to become people's and planet positive. But first, let's take a trip through the history of the Swedish restaurant. IKEA Swedish Restaurant is located at the 4th level of IKEA Pasay City and is open daily from 9:30 a.m. up to 9 p.m. Due to the COVID pandemic, IKEA is implementing safety protocols in line with the guidelines set by the Pasay City LGU. All vaccinated visitors are allowed to enter the IKEA store. Proof of vaccination is required upon entry. IKEA Family Food offers the following. IKEA Family with consists of 16 pieces Swedish meatballs and mushroom soup cost to about 250 for IKEA family price and 284 regular price. Western breakfast toast with pork sausage set is to 109 pesos and the local breakfast langgonisa is 99 pesos. Chicken winner and pandesal set is 59 pesos and salmon mayo croissant is 129 pesos and egg and cheese croissant is 89 pesos. Cold plates and starter marinated salmon with mustard dill sauce is 225 pesos and green salad of 55 pesos.
Ano ba po?
Ano kasama niya?
Tag pa po. Ano pa po, sir? Meatball.
Meatball sa
Ilang
kasama.
pieces po?
12.
Sorry daw.
Ito.
I want mushroom soup.
Okay.
What is mushroom soup?
Dalawa po. 3,200 po.
3,204 pesos po.
3,200 po. IKEA coffee and other beverages like soft drinks are refillable and you can drink as you can. Once again, my kasi, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider to subscribe, like and share our videos, and hope we'll see you soon on our next video. Thank you and goodbye.